Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to see old Google Maps street views and travel back in time. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go straight onto Google and type in Google Maps, and then that will take us directly to that page. So because we're on here, let's look for Los Angeles, a place in Los Angeles. Okay, right, so then just for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to choose any road within this map. So I'm going to choose my street view and put the little man somewhere there. Okay, so we've ended up in a car park by the looks of it. So, okay, so if we just take a look around and then just moving around the street, we can see it's just a normal street view. And then at the top left-hand corner, you can see August 2022. And normally up here, if you're able to travel back in time, it will have other dates available for you to select, and then you just select those, and then you can see that street view change over the years. So in this example, this particular road doesn't have any previous images or road maps for us to show you. So let's choose a different road. Okay, so then if we move to this new road here, you'll be able to see that it has now November 2023 on there as the latest date that this was taken on Street View. To the right of it, you'll see more dates. If you select that, it will actually open different previous years of this particular road. So in this example, we've got August 22, November 20, November 2017. So if we select November 2017, it will immediately change to the image taken at that time years ago, basically. So it's gone back. So then you're able to then see if there's any changes on that road. If we change the angle again, then select November 2020, and then you can see any changes that were made in those 3 years. And then another example again in 2022, we can see different changes once again. So it's just a cool little hack for you to use in future if you ever want to have a look back in time. And that is pretty much it. That's how to travel back in time with Google Maps. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.